Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you the International Harvester. Now this thing right here is pretty rare. It's 1955. It's worth about like $3,000. They went out of business. They made cars and trucks, but the trucks are more expensive. Like, you can get a lot of money off of them. And I just wanted to show you this because this one's rare too. It's made by the same company. My grandpa, he used to have one of these trucks, International Harvester. It's pretty cool. It's kind of rusted up, but I think it used to be white. You can kind of see the white right here. But yeah, this one, if you look, well, we defrosted this because it had all icing up on it. And on the back, it said it was made in Chicago, Illinois, 1955. And yeah, that's really what I wanted to say. You can see all that rust back there. It's pretty rusty, but yeah, it keeps the drinks cold, but really cold. It's really cold. If you saw, I think, let me get one of these out. You can see like the frost on them. Inside here, all that frost on top. It'll come back, that thing right here. That's ice. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say. This is 1955 Harvester. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Focus, okay. And yeah, peace.